Hi everyone, my name is Shabishek and this is a short video for my project demonstration of task flow. It is also known as a task management system. I will walk you through the simple task management system that I have developed. I will quickly explain the features, show how I implemented them, and finally I will show the live working project of the project. The project is a task management system developed using Munchstack. The front end is mainly done by using CSS, Complete CSS, and Tailwind CSS. And backend is created by using Node.js and Express. And easy for the easy storage, we use a context API to transfer to access the data from any pages or any components. And for the databases, we use MongoDB, and for authentication, we use Java like JSON Web Tokens. For styling, we use JSS and Bootstrap, as in our library. The main features of this project is the task creation where user can create a new task by filling out a form that includes the task title and the task description, a due date of the task, and to make sure what is the priority of the task. Tasks automatically appear in the respective priority list. As I mentioned here user can create or sign up here. User can directly log in if he has already have an account, or he can sign up if he does not have an account. Let's start with creating if he does not have any account. Let's think Shabir Sheikh. I creating a demo account to show how this works. Demo @gmail.com. We also use some constraints that at least the password should be 6 letters and the email address should be contain @gmail.com at the end, and it should the password and the confirm password should be the same. I have added this constraints to the backend code. It will check and send to verify whether the user is correctly logging creating an account or not. Let's create an account. Once you click on a create account with David, okay, it's saying the account is already exists. Let's create another account. We have created an account where we can see directly there a sidebar and a header which contains the task flow and the name of the user who is logged in, and a logout button. Whenever you click the logout button, you directly come out from the main screen. In the dashboard, we can see all the information of the tasks that are implemented by the users, where we can see the total number of tasks and how many his user has completed, and check whether the user has any pending tasks or any overdue. Let's first create an over task by clicking on the create task. Let the user should enter what the title name of the title task title, maybe reading book. Is a task for the user, and the user can create a description for the title what the user wanted to. I wanted to read a book from the Harry Potter series. The user wanted to read a book from the Harry Potter series, he can mention it and he can add a due date from it. If we add a previous date, it get as overdue, so we click any of the date which is from now, maybe 30, and I make it as a medium priority because it does not have much of priority, so I make it as low priority because reading book is not that much needed for the user if he think. Then we can click on the create task. It will add it to our main menu, that is in the sidebar all tasks, and we again can create another task like regard maybe going to gym. maybe should not miss the gym today. Mention and assign today's date for it. Make it as highest priority, and Kriya will create a task. You can see going to gym is a highest priority and should not miss that. There is a description for it, and we can see overdue. If we complete the task, we can make it as mark completed. If we not completed, we can make it as not completed. If a user wanted to edit the task, he can click on the task and there is an edit button to it. We can change any the date. If the date user wanted to complete it prior, we would make it as 28 and update the task. It directly updated in the backend by using the Node.js and Express. We can see the created date of the task and when it is last updated. We can check the task by using the search bar. If there are a lot of tasks like such as going to gym, it will come pop up in the front of the task. When you click on it, it will directly go into the task that you will see, and you can edit or we can delete it. Whenever you try to delete the task, it will get a pop-up that showing we should wanted to delete the task or not. If you click on the delete task, it directly delete the task from the user. We can direct by user drop and drag method, where to for easy convenience I use a drop and drag method, where the user can change from the task from one priority to other priority by just dragging and drop. It will directly updated in the backend. The user now the reading the book has become the medium priority from lower priority to medium priority, or we can change from medium priority to lower priority, higher priority. It becomes more easy for the user to change. I have ensured that the system image is easy to use and visually clear with color priorities and secured with the proper authentication, where you can see in my code. I used Java JSON Web Tokens for authentication. I used middlewares to avoid any users who are not authenticated cannot able to create an account from here. This is my code which is uploaded in the GitHub. You can check from it. This is the backend code and this is the front end code. It's for login form, registration form. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much.